My PBL is HTML coding, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The basics of HTML. There's two ways to view a web page. Web view is how the browser interrupts your code, uh, how you normally view web pages. The purpose of a web browser, like Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, etc., is to read HTML documents and display them as web pages. The source code view is there's a written text that is created by the web designer. The source code for any web page can be viewed. HTML tags are written between angle brackets, and most tags will usually come in pairs. The basics. The first tag in the pair is called the opening tag, and the second is called the closing tag. Note the slash. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses the tags to interpret the content of the page. Tag orders matter. If you open the tags one way, then it must be reversed when closed. Example: Hello world. Tags are not case sensitive. All, all HTML documents start with HTML and ends with the slash HTML. With HTML, every HTML web page has two sections, which are denoted by HTML tags: the head and the body. The head section will always open and close before the body section opens. The head section. This section always begins with the head and ends with a slash head. This section will not be visible in the body of the web designer or browser. The name of the web page that appears in the title bar is placed in this section. The example. And my other examples can be placed in this section. When you preview it, you will see the title here. The body section. Information displayed in the section will be displayed in the body of the web browser. The closing body tag will always precede the closing HTML tag. Here's an example. How to save as HTML. File, save as. The name you want the file to be .html. When you save as .html, this tells the computer that the file should be opened by a browser. If using a simple text editor, typing .html manually is required. Example: This is the most important part. After you save it, it turns into HTML. This is an example. Starts with every HTML page right there. Info in this section will not appear in the body of the web browser. Info in this section will appear in the body of the web browser, and it ends with every HTML page.